How to use the handheld printer B45 correctly. Start by turning on the device using the power button. Here, you'll find several icons. Go to the Edit icon, which will display various options. If you press the Add button, you'll find several coding options. In this case, enter text. A window will appear where you can modify the font, size, and spacing of the information you add in the blank space. This information can be printed at a size of 5 cm high by 2 meters wide. If you want to include a QR code, go to the QR option and enter the code or link in the string section to generate it. If you want to include a barcode, go to the encode option and add the information in the string section. You can edit the number, height, and type of barcode. To prevent the information from being deleted, select the File option and then select Save to save it with the desired name. To print the information, first turn off the handheld printer to insert the ink cartridges. Open the gate and insert the cartridges with the nozzle tilted slightly downward. Close the gate and check that the cartridges are completely covered. And continue to turn on the handheld printer to print. Select Print and activate it by pressing the front button. Then, slide the handheld printer over the object to be printed. The handheld printer allows you to print on flat, irregular, or curved surfaces. When finished printing, turn off the handheld printer to remove the cartridge. Remember to place the plastic cover over the cartridge to prevent the ink from drying out.